Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Here's another £1 or less meal. I'm making use of some baked beans that I had left over. So here I've got a very hot pan with a tiny dot of oil that I rubbed all over, and now I'm going to stick a tortilla on it. I've grated a tiny amount of cheese. Any cheese will do. I've got this cheddar from Aldi. It's £2.49 for a 400 gram block. So I'm just going to tip this cheese on. Spread it all over and then use some baked beans. This is about a third of a tin of baked beans. They were 27p in Asda. You can get them in Aldi as well. And I've used these tortillas, which cost £1 in Aldi. They're wholemeal flour ones. So there you go, there's your cheese and beans. A tortilla on top, flatten it down and cook for a couple of minutes.